So in the kitchen here, there's this clever little built-in kitchen dining area. Has great views, great light. Looks out toward the deck. You can see the adjacent Silver Strike Lodge condo there. To me, it's not real objectionable. My eye is drawn more toward the mountain ridge line. Wide open on this main level. Good size kitchen island. Double sink. Microwave drawer. Sub-zero refrigerator. And how the bedrooms lay out is this is your master suite here. Kind of behind the kitchen. Has a stackable washer and dryer. Not only is there a fireplace here as you enter the master suite, there's a second fireplace in the master bathroom by the tub here. Separate tub, shower. Diane, your sink has a separate little makeup area. And another sink on that side. Again, clever use of the next to the window areas. There's a little built-in bench seat there. And again, same fantastic views. There's nothing that could be built in the future on this side of the village at Empire Pass, so what you see is what you get in terms of obstructions from future buildings.